Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make tool game pass in Roblox. So firstly, in the Roblox website, we'll go to the Create tab. Then go to the Creations menu. And select the experience we would like to create the tool game pass on. Then from the left side in the monetization tab, we'll find passes. From here, we have to select create a pass. Now we have to make a pass regarding the tool we want to use in the game. So I'll be using a gun and I'll be uploading the picture of a gun. Description can be whatever you like, and now create the pass. After the pass has been created, left click on it and go to open in new tab. Now you'll see that the pass is here. On the top URL, we'll copy the ID of the pass. Now click on the experience we made the pass on. Click on the three dots and click on Edit in Studio. Select Roblox Studios, then proceed. After the game loads, from the right side, we will select Server Script Service, then add a new script. Now we will have to import a script in here. The script is in this text document, so I'll just copy it. Drag and drop it in here. Remove the print command. Now in the Game Pass ID, we'll have to paste the Game Pass we just created, the ID of the Game Pass. And for this case, the tool name will be Pistol. You can give whatever you want the tool you are going to use. And that's it. Now in order to sell the pass, we'll have to go to the pass section again. Left click on the pass we just created. Then click on sales. Put this item for sale and select any price that you want. Now click on save changes. Now the tool game pass has been made successfully. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.